This is your second unit. So these are the topics which comes under unit 2: Boolean algebra, Boolean function representation, logic gates, and K-maps. Okay. First we will discuss Boolean algebra. First we will find out the difference between algebra and Boolean algebra. How this Boolean algebra is different from normal algebra. In normal algebra, here I am taking r equals to 10, a decimal system, and here just I am giving differences between normal algebra as well as Boolean algebra, right? In this normal algebra, just I will take a decimal number system, and in this Boolean algebra I will take binary number system. R equals to 2, base 2 means that is a binary number system. And second difference, here we are considering variables like a, b, c. Okay, just you can denote any of letter, right? So variables, otherwise you can take small letters also, no problem. Here also same thing, variables. In Boolean algebra also we are using variables which are denoted with capital A, B, C. Otherwise you can choose small letters also, no problem. Whereas in algebra we are using operators like plus, minus, into, and division, percentages. Like that we are using so many operators in our normal algebra. Okay, we are doing percentage calculations and logarithmic calculations, fractional portions, integer portions. So these all things are comes under algebra, right? So whereas in Boolean algebra, these all things are not at all possible, right? Square roots, cube roots, percentage calculations. Okay, these all things are not available in Boolean algebra, right? So now for the third difference here is here we are using operators like plus, minus, multiplication, and division. Okay, and etc. And here in Boolean algebra we are using operators. Here the operators are AND operation, comma, OR operation, comma, NOT operation. These are the three operators, basic operators, right? So these AND and OR operations, which are called as binary operations. These two are binary. Why? Because we are using two variables, right? And whereas in a NOT operation, which is called unary operation. Okay, unary operation. Why? Because we are using only single variable. Okay, so we can provide a single variable as a input to that particular NOT, and we will get a single output. That's why, that means that entire NOT black, otherwise entire NOT device will operate with only single variables. That's why we are calling unary operation. These AND and OR operators will call as binary operation. So these are the differences. So here we are using normal operators like addition, subtraction related, and whereas in Boolean algebra we are using AND, OR, and NOT operation. And OR both are called as binary operations, and NOT is nothing but a unary operation, right? And I will give two statements here. So here the Boolean algebra is a tool for the analysis of digital design. Okay, Boolean algebra is a tool for the analysis and design of for digital systems, right? And the next one is in this Boolean algebra there are no fractions, no negative numbers, and no square roots, no cube roots, no decimals, and no logarithms, etc. So in this Boolean algebra, so there are no fractions and no negative numbers, no square roots and cube roots, and no decimals and no logarithms. So we have only the three basic operations. So those are AND operation, OR operation, and NOT operation. These are the basic operators, basic operations which are involved in Boolean algebra, right? So this is about Boolean algebra. So this is introduction, and next we will move on to Boolean laws. So our next topic is Boolean algebraic laws. We have total three laws. One is commutative law. So in this commutative law, if I am taking A and B are two variables, A and B are two variables, A plus B equals to B plus A, then it satisfies commutative law. And next, this is first one, and the second one is AB equals to BA. That means product of A and B variable and product of B and A variable. So AB equals to BA, then it satisfies the commutative law. And the next one is associative law. A, B, C are three variables, then A plus B plus C, which is equals to A plus B plus C. And the second one is, second condition, A into BC product, which is equals to AB product into C. If these three variables satisfies these two conditions, then which follows the associative law. Okay, and next third one, and the next one is distributive law. So here A, B, C, D are four variables, then A into B plus C, which equals to AB plus AC. So this AB is one distribution and AC is another distribution. Okay, and next one, A plus B into C plus D. If you simplify this, you will get AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. These are the distributions, right? So each and every product one distribution. So these are the three laws: commutative law, associative law, and distributive law. I think these topics which are covered in your mathematics, right? Same laws we have to follow in our digital electronics also. So but here we are taking AND operation, OR operation, and NOT operation, whereas in our normal algebra we are taking sum and multiplication, division. We have so many operations in our mathematics, right? So this is about Boolean algebraic laws. Three laws: commutative law, associative law, distributive law. Okay, these are very important.